Alright guys, so I'm using my handheld camera so I can actually take much better video. Kind of want to show you a little bit more with the stronger daylight. As you can see, it's daytime. It's the following day. So, I should be able to zoom in. Oh yeah, there you go. You can really see what I was talking about earlier. And it's like that in all of them. I don't know if you can see that one as easily. But yeah, so they're gonna have to replace all 4 of those.
A slack adjuster.
And the slack adjuster, this one is bad. He says it just needs to get replaced. So that's gonna get replaced along with anything else they find, who knows what. But you know what? We were not ready for a 34-hour reset. Oh, this is my student. He didn't want to be on video. I guess he's fine with it now. I wasn't even paying attention. So we weren't going to do a 34-hour reset until this all occurred. And so, you know, when life gives you fucking lemons, you fucking make lemonade and you sit on the side. He's going to sit by the pool. I'm going to go home and we're going to drink some lemonade. I'm going to drink a beer. You know, when shit goes wrong, you roll with it. So instead of fighting it this week, we've had tire issues, we've had a little bit of everything. So we're just gonna call it and we're gonna go get something to eat. And I'm leaving this thing here in Lancaster, Texas. And I'm going home. So, see y'all later. Have a good one. Hit that subscribe button. Oh, hit me up on Patreon. I said Patreon. I need to actually do a video for Patreon. I'll do that later. See ya.